How to buy me the Magic Eden token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, first of all, make sure you take a look on the X account. They have a big community, as you can see here. Now, to be able to buy this token, just go and find it in the screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and make an account. So this token is under the Solana network, so it's easy to buy these kind of networks. Just copy the token address and go to your Phantom wallet. Now after that, click on swap, and as you can see, if you have make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see, to be able to find. So after you find, just click on it. From here, type how much you want to buy from the me, and this is how much you will receive. So from here, you can change by between this percentage. Now after that, click confirm. Now from the provider, select one of these, OKX or the Radium. After you click one of these, after that click on swap, and they will redirect you to that provider page to complete the buy process. If you have any issue on your buying process, just go back and change this percentage to 1 or 0.5 or custom it. As you can see, you can now enter how much you want to set it. So after that, you will be able to buy the AME token. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.